Hello students, welcome to the second video of Science Class 7 Chapter 10 Respiration in Organisms. Students, in the first video of this chapter, we have discussed about respiration. And in today's video, we are going to understand about breathing process. So let's get started. First, let us understand what is the meaning of breathing. The process of taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide is called breathing. And respiration and breathing both are two different processes. And students, during breathing we breathe in air. In this process oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide and water vapor are given out. Breathing is also called external respiration and it is a type of physical process. And students, now let us understand the steps of breathing. The breathing involves two main steps. First, inhalation and second, exhalation. Now let them understand one by one in detail. First, let us know about inhalation. Students, during inhalation, we breathe in air which is rich in oxygen. And when we inhale, ribs move up and outward and the diaphragm moves down. This leads to the expansion of chest cavity. As a result, the air moves into the lungs. And now let us understand what is exhalation. During exhalation, we breathe out air which is rich in carbon dioxide. And during exhalation, ribs move down and inwards while diaphragm moves up to its former position, and this leads to contraction of the chest cavity. As a result, the air pushed out of the lungs. And students, now let us understand what is rate of breathing. During breathing, inhalation and exhalation take place alternately. One breath comprises one inhalation and one exhalation. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is called breathing rate. During normal activities, the rate of breathing is normal, and the rate of breathing increases when we do heavy physical works such as running, swimming, jogging, etc. It is because these activities require extra energy, that is more oxygen, and as a result we breathe faster, and the oxygen we inhale speeds up the breakdown of food to release more energy. This is the reason that we feel hungry after rigorous exercise. And students, you can count your breathing rate using a stopwatch. Count your breathing rate after normal activities and after some physical work. Compare your results. What do you find? On an average, an adult human being breathes in and out 15 to 18 times in a minute, and it increases per minute during having exercises. The breathing rate decreases when we take rest, and the breathing rate is faster in children and women than in men. Now let us know about the difference between respiration and breathing. So students, you can see on your screen a table showing difference between breathing and respiration. As we have discussed earlier, the breathing is a physical process involving exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, while respiration is a biochemical process involving the complete breakdown of the food to produce carbon dioxide and water and energy. The breathing occurs outside of the cell, while respiration occurs inside the cell. During breathing, no enzyme is involved, and in respiration, enzymes are involved at certain stages of respiration. During breathing, no energy is evolved, while in respiration process, energy is released in a controlled and stepwise manner. Students, now let us revise what we have learned today. Question 1. Breathing involves dash main steps: A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. And the right answer is B. 2. Question 2. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is A. 9 to 12, B. 15 to 18, C. 21 to 24, D 30 to 33. And the right answer is B 15 to 18. Question 3. During inhalation, we breathe in air which is rich in A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. And the right answer is B. Oxygen. Question 4. During exhalation, we breathe out air which is rich in A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. And the right answer is A. Carbon dioxide. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screen. We will be present soon with the next video of this chapter. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.